when should I usually, just decide to conduct a VSM?
Well, I would say I would do it as early as possible in the continuous improvement journey, just because you may work on certain improvements that at the end will have very little impact on the overall flow. And I'm sure that some of you have seen that. We did Kaizens, we did a lot of activities, we improved one production step. We're all proud of it. You see that this production step is improving by 30, 40, 50%. But how come at the end, I don't produce 50% more parts? It's probably because, it's an isolated improvement in the entire value stream. So you want to do your value stream mapping early because you look at the global picture. And by looking at the global picture, you will be able to see what are the improvements that I can make that will have an impact on my entire value stream. As I usually say, even if your production, employees and your production processes are extremely strong and robust, if your supply chain is not well linked to your production capacity, so you can have, the best Formula One driver, but if you don't have the good mechanics, you won't be able to win. And sometimes that's what happened. We're well organized. However, we have an issue earlier in the value chain. And if we don't fix that issue, we won't see the real value of our improvement.